Let's pack a cute order from Canada. I was very angry. The other day I received a comment saying someone posted our videos on TikTok, even claiming the videos are theirs. I went to TikTok and found that many of our videos had been stolen. It's so shocking and frustrating. Why they do that? This sweetie picked 2 sets. The first set is the zoo. It's a sister set of our popular cat party design, but with 3D elements. We also have another design named Dog Party. The second set is Cat in the Forest. It's the most popular one among all the early autumn designs. It's a very cute set that gives off many fairy tale and autumn vibes. We also have some surprise small gifts for every customer. Hope she will like them. No worries, each set comes with a complimentary nail application kit. Let's continue the story. I don't know why they keep doing that. We are just a very small and young creative brand. Do you guys have any solutions? Please kindly leave a comment to let me know. Thank you.